Pricing and readying jobs. To price a transport job, or to ready it for invoicing, first go to the invoicing menu option and select Transport Pricing. The pricing of warehouse jobs is covered in the help documentation. There are 5 different ways we can view jobs on the transport pricing screen. The first of these is to view them by customer. Select a customer from the drop-down box and press the Apply button. The list will then display all the jobs for that customer which have not yet been invoiced or readied. If you have jobs grouped together by a batch reference, you may on the pricing screen view all the jobs upon that batch. To do this, select the relevant customer and then select the batch reference from the drop-down box. When viewing by batch, any jobs which are ready on the batch will also appear. Another way to view jobs on the pricing screen is to view them by purchase order. This works in a similar manner to the batch reference. However, the customer in question must be set up as invoice by purchase order. Searching by job number allows you to view a specific job, whether it be readied, on an invoice preview, or on an accepted invoice preview. The final option is to view by load. This allows us to view all the collections and deliveries that were completed upon this load. This will show jobs which are ready, but will not display ones which are on an invoice preview. You may sort jobs on the pricing screen by clicking on any of the headings that have an arrow against them. Jobs that appear yellow are jobs that have been cancelled by either you or your customer. Cancelled jobs may be excluded from invoices by clicking the Exclude box on the far right. If you are just entering a simple charge against a job, such as a single freight charge, this may be entered from this screen. Simply add the charges against the jobs you wish to price. Always remember to press the Submit button to save your changes. If a job has a POD and a price against it, and in the case of bill by purchase order or batch customers, a batch or purchase order, you should now be able to tick the Ready tick box. This marks the job ready for invoicing. To mark a job as ready for invoicing, there must be a price entered against it. A price of 0 is, however, acceptable. If you wish to add more than one charge against a job, such as an extra charge for hazardous materials or for an extra man, or if you want to see more details about the job, click the red job number link to go to the pricing details screen. From this screen, we may add more than one kind of charge. To do this, enter the charge amount, select the type of charge, enter any notes you wish to add, and press the plus key. Always make sure to save your changes before leaving the screen. From this screen, we may also edit the quantities for the job, alongside the confidential info, description, and additional information fields. If a job has multiple charges against it, it will appear as uneditable on the main pricing screen. Once all your jobs have been priced and readied, they are ready to be invoiced. Please see the invoice preview video for information on how to do this.